Iki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution has given a direction to the government of Meghalaya to complete 100% E-KYC verification for the PDS ration card holders. And the government of Meghalaya has taken up with the district administration. Instruction has been given to complete this exercise at the earliest. So we want to appeal to the people that they should come forward for this E-KYC verification so that they do not miss out on their ration card benefits. As this E-KYC verification has been nearly completed in rest of the states, it's only pending in Meghalaya and few other states. Simultaneously, from district administration, we have also given a direction to all the FPS dealers who are lagging behind in E-KYC verification that they are supposed to carry out at least this verification for 10 beneficiaries every day. And simultaneously, those FPS dealers who have not done any KYC verification, as in zero so far, so to them we have show caused, and we are also planning to terminate them in case their numbers do not improve. The idea is that this E-KYC verification, once done, it will be then only more number of ration cards can be given by Government of India. Also, through media, we want to appeal to all the Rangbashnongs of this district that they should motivate their people, the residents within their villages, to come forward, cooperate in this E-KYC verification exercise, so that being the community leaders, their voice will matter and their encouragement will lead to early completion of this exercise.
Kumban Shupeteng, halor ka jingkren jong Deputy Commissioner jongi, kini kalong ka jingkir pat ani ka appeal Shah baro ki Paidbah Nongsam ki badan ya ka kad Reshon. Ba kinwan chakmat ban yasnok tilang bat ni ha kabangin le ya kini ka E-KYC verification. Kini gede kalat EP baro khat banwan ban chakmat hakidi ki singi banwan ban Ïarap lang ya ka office ka jongi bangin le ya kini ka verification. Kini ka appeal ka lejro ka jingkir pat ka lejro sikirang ba shnong bikin ngobha ban shimkhia ban pha ki nongsam shnong ki badan ya ka ration card ban le ki FPS dealer ka jongki ban le kini ka E-KYC verification. Kini ka exercise lani ka kam ka Ministry jong Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs kala don ka jingkra la khamsle menta lengyo I bakam dadon kata ka jing simkhia na kalyang jongki Paidbah lani ki beneficiaries banwan chakmat ban le kini exercise te sasisian na kalyang ka office jong Deputy Commissioner ikirpat ki beneficiaries barokhat bikin wan chakmat ban Ïarap ban pen yo kini ka E-KYC ha ki FPS center ki jongpi na kalyang ka jongi ngilabo ro ka special camp hak office jong Deputy Commissioner nadu ka tarik khatway tarik hadu ka khat khandai tarik jong December aja arkusan bakin wan hak ni ka office jong Deputy Commissioner bagila ban Ïarap iki bakin le iki E-KYC tasasisian kum bakaladon ka jing pha bal ha bagi iba nakalyang jong ka jela ka jongi la khamshadien hak ka bagile iki E-KYC tiga dega jing kirpan nakalyang ka jongi baro kirang ba shnong bikin snok nilang bikin ongro bikin senran ro ki beneficiaries bikin betha ki FPS dealer bikin shimkhia kani ngila pha ro ki shithi ki FPS dealer bakin shimkhia kani ka kam hak bangila don ro ka jing ikut nakalyang department hak ba kini ki FPS dealer bom shimkhia ba kila ro banyo ya ka jing terminate ya ka dealership ke jongki la dakim la ban Ïarap ingi ha ka benta ka benta kumjuru ka jing kurpat kalau ki beneficiaries ni kinong yo Khaw bakin wan chakmat ban le kini ki E-KYC nama kini kan Ïarap ki shibun ha ka ba yo ki wipat ki scheme kumju